summer right around the corner, I figured this would be the perfect time to introduce the first episode of my new kitchen hack series, so you can spend less time in the kitchen cooking and more time outside having fun. And this week, I have a kitchen hack I think you're going to love. How to make a delicious ice cream treat. A super simple, baked Alaska. So stay tuned. Now the key to this kitchen hack is we're going to save time and energy by combining two of our favorite pre-made summertime treats into one. And then we're going to give it that wow factor with a little bit of culinary flair. So here's what you'll need. And there you go, a simple kitchen hack to help make a gourmet summertime dessert with ease. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.